Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a life as a slime scammer. I'm gonna be the scammer. She's gonna be the one that ordered slime from me. So yeah, let's just take this on. She's just gonna clean the mess. This is a birthday boy. Say hi. You wanna come on? So yeah. Guys, I just got a slime note that is a Veromont slime, but yeah, let me just get all my slimes. Ugh. All my slime. So yeah, slime she ordered was a blue butter slime.
Huh? No.
Blue butter. I have this blue. It's not butter. I mean, it's not butter. It's like. Let me take off my. Oh my god, I don't want to get slime on this sweater. Let me take off my sweater. I'm gonna just take off my sweater. Okay. This. Well, it's really good though.
A little sticky?
Yeah, it's a little sticky. It's.
Almost sticky?
It is. It could be butter. I'm gonna give it to her. It's still good slime. It's just not butter. First slime.
I want to.
Not yet. Next slime she ordered was pink sloam. Bubblegum foam. I have this pink foam. I have two pink foams, but let me check. Let me take both of them out.
I'm happy with that.
No, it's okay. I'll tell you when, okay?
La 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 la.
I have this one. So, it's really good. Okay. I'm not gonna give her this one. Huh? No, it's because he took the container. I said, can I get it back? And he started crying because he gave it back to me. Don't cry, okay? I'll give you another slime right now, okay? So, well, we have this one. Really nice blue.
What's that?
That's creepy. It has colorful foam. It's not good. Okay, this one's going to her. She better not get mad. Okay, third slime is storm slime.
I want that one.
I have a storm slime.
That one. I want to use this one.
I do have a storm slime. Okay.
Oh, this one
Let's
was.
see how the storm slime.
Oh, this one was the
Not yet, not yet. That one's super sticky. That one.
Oh, I want that one.
Let me tell your mom.
No.
Yep. I'm just playing.
Oh, I want a slime.
I'm gonna give you your slime right now, okay? Let me just do this. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one. It hurts a little hard, but she wouldn't mind, right? Next, she asked for a blue cloud. I do have a blue cloud. It's just bad. It's just super bad. Now stretching. Leave this stuff on my hands. Do not like it, so I'm gonna put it away. Give this one to her. Next, she ordered a pink. You farted. It's pink. I don't want to give this one to him because it's his. Here, this is your slime.
Okay.
Go play with it. You cannot have it. Okay?
Okay.
You're only gonna play with it. You're not having it.
Slime.
Right here. That's your slime, but you're not gonna have it. You're just gonna play with it, okay? Once I get like a lot of slimes, I'll let you have one.
It's not this one?
No, you can play with it, but you're not gonna have it. It feels like putty. I made it. It's got this cloud stuff into it. Let's see what it does to it. Doesn't really do nothing to it. Then, oh. I'm gonna get this over here. It's not pink. That's her last time. She wants extras. Her extra. Leave this black slime. And even in her store says she hates black. So we give her black slime. This one's going to her. Yep, I got her extras. Now I'm gonna put it in this bag. And take the stuff that I have in here. There's some slime in here. No. We're gonna put the slime here. No, not that one. I'm gonna mail it to her. Maria, you ready?
I'm not ready.
You're not?
No, because I have to wash this.
So, I'm
Can
gonna
you
give
give this to Chris? One arm my longer because really enough.
I'm not sending it off yet. I'm not gonna send it off yet. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll do a part 2 me getting this.